So mga kaibigan, good morning to all of you guys here from here in the Samal Island. I am here to be to unwind a certain way that we have, mga kaibigan. It is called a brackish water. No, it is a brackish water, mga kaibigan. It is called a mangrove. No, we are here. It is called a brackish water. It is because from the water of the river and the water of the sea or the sea, mga kaibigan, was meeting here, meeting each other. So that's why that we are called a brackish water. In Bisaya, that is imalasado. So it is our part here, mga kaibigan, that I would like to ask to all of you. No, it is the place or the birth of my wife here in this place. Big shout out to Honorable Judge Jamie Bustilio Boco of the RTC 11 and Vice Executive right now of the RTC 11, mga kaibigan, in which it is the place of the Judge Boco here. Yan. So big shout out to you, kuya, and happy ano po, no, it is because I am here in Samal Island right now. So here, from here in Binuling, Piña Plata Island Garden City of Samal, in which, mga kaibigan, my friends, was it is a brackish water. All the mananagat here, so we'll go to there. It is because my sister-in-law was called a comprador of the fish from the sea, which is yung mga captured fish natin from the net of our mananagat, mga kaibigan. So I am here, so I am just to informing you na I am here, no, maliligo. I'm just to swim in the water yesterday. So here it is a pambot, no? It is a pambot in which they will carry. It's all about 7 person. Yes, it is the lights also, mga kaibigan. No, it is the lights. There is a lots of bulb here and the lead. No, it is a battery operated. It is a battery operated, mga kaibigan. So to all my friends, I would like to inform you that here before is very the very small than one right now, but right now it's it becomes big. It is because here will comes to expand. It is because of the series of flood and causing for the bad weather here in this area. So that's why before it's all about it's very expanded, not like that you are looking for right now, because it is the cause of the series of plus the flood of this river. So all the mangrove here in this side was removed because of that flood, my friends. If you look at that's a cause of the flood, mga kaibigan. So here before, it is a kitchen of my biyanan, my father-in-law and my mother-in-law right now. So here, but because of the series of what I called earlier flash flood or the flood, yan, they will remove some part of this house. It is the first house. It is the first house of my mother and the father-in-law, and also right now here was to stay is my so yan. There is a lots of the series of bad weather of this the place of Island Garden, City of Samal. So that's why right now it's very expand. And also on that opposite, yan. So it is called a brackish water. When going to told about this brackish, it is a water of the river and the sea was meeting each other out there, well called a brackish water. In Bisaya is called a malasado. So that's why I am here.